Today I will show you how to add text on image in Webflow. First, we will add a section, and inside a section we will add a div, and call it an image wrapper. Inside the wrapper, we will add image and text elements, and then I will just position my image to center, so it can look better. Important thing we need to do to position text on image is give text absolute position and give wrapper relative position. Then we click on Image Wrapper and change Layout Settings to Display Flex, and we center it. Now I will just add some styling to text so we can see it better. You can also position your text by changing the position settings when absolute.